Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Binance app and making sure you are logged in. This lets the app access exchange functions. Once done, grant camera permission if the app asks, because scanning requires direct camera access. Position the QR code on a stable surface or another screen with good lighting so the camera reads it quickly. Make sure notifications or phone calls won't interrupt the scan. This prevents timeouts and authentication failures when the app tries to process the code. You then navigate to the correct spot in the app. Tap Wallet, Deposit, or the QR scanner icon depending on whether you're receiving funds or linking. Next, choose the appropriate crypto and network if prompted, because Binance won't accept mismatched chains. Once that's set, open the scanner and center the QR inside the on-screen rectangle. Hold your phone about 6 to 12 inches away. Move slowly until the app recognizes the pattern to avoid misreads or wrong address imports. After the QR is read, Binance shows the address and details. Carefully verify the coin, network, and amount before you confirm, because blockchain transfers can't be reversed. If the scanner won't detect the code, try toggling the flashlight, steadying your hand, or moving farther away. You can also tap to switch to manual entry and paste the address instead. If problems persist, update the app and recheck camera permissions, then retry. That normally resolves scanning or permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.